Welcome back, everybody. So today I had this little universal remote control arrived at my home. So I recently bought it on Amazon. It was about 15 bucks. Had some really good parameters. So in theory, it should be able to do some of the stuff that smart hubs do, where you can control your infrared devices through this controller and have them, voice activated and being on your Wi-Fi network as well. So let's open it up, see what it is, see how it looks like, and see if we can get it connected and if we can do something with it. So the good thing about this one, it doesn't require any additional apps. So it connects to Smart Life app, which we're using for most of our appliances here. So well, let's get into it and see what it is and how easy it is. Okay, so what do we have? We have obviously the instruction manual, very brief one, so we'll put this to the side. We have the device itself, so it's actually surprisingly smaller than I expected. So it has a warning tip here: Smart living with Wi-Fi IR, please read instructions carefully. Well, we'll probably skip the instructions. We've done quite a few of those, so we'll carefully take this off. So initial impressions, it's quite a cool little device. It feels nice, it feels solid, it's nice material. So it has a USB port here and from the looks of it, button here, right? Don't see any other buttons. Okay, let's see what else is here. Okay, so we have a cable. We'll take this aside, put this to the side. So obviously USB cables. So one thing I did want to try with this one, especially now since it comes with a USB cable, is to power it up through a power block and see if we can actually have it running off the power block. So let's get this cable connected. Okay, so the cable is in. So it sits quite nice, no wobble. So yeah, looks nice. Okay, so let's get our power adapter. Sorted. So we'll plug this into the power adapter so it's on and charging. We'll get this one connected here. Let's see what happens. Okay, so it turned on. So you can see the little blue light here. So it seems like it's working. Okay, let's quickly look at the instructions for thinking purposes. So preparation for use, connect the device. Okay, network. So it all seems to be simple. Okay, so reset network configuration button. Press and hold the reset button for at least 5 seconds until the network starts blinking. Okay, so it's very similar to other devices. So let's see if the thing starts blinking. Okay, you can see the light is blinking. So now we'll take our phone. We go into Smart app. We'll go add devices, and that probably would be under, let's try security and sensors, alarm, motion detector. So since I'm doing it for the first time through Smart Life, let's see if we can find where the remote control may be under the gateways. No. Universal remote control, here we go. So reset the device first, blinking is on, network is set, so confirm, So let's see what happens. Let's see if it gets connected, and we can try and configure it to some device. Okay, it's taking a little bit of time. Okay, I think the light just stopped blinking, so the light is solid now, so hopefully, and it turned off. So let's see if it's actually will go through. Yep, look at that. Okay, so it's on. So we'll keep the name the same. Okay. Excellent. So it looks like the remote control is added to our Wi-Fi, and it's now picked up by our app. So let's continue. So let's try to add something to it. So here I've got my candle, which I used in some other tests. It's a infrared controlled candle. So now with the button you go on and off. So let's see if we can add this to the device. So obviously add. Okay, so it has few functions here. Okay, let's try light. Okay, so it has quite a lot of predefined features. Okay, so things, since the candle is probably not here, we'll pick one. Which one shouldn't have anything in other section? No, they don't. Okay, so let's try Canon. Let's see what happens. Okay, try to make sure that 3 button is available. Okay, so we go select this one. No, power. Okay, how to edit? Can you delete? Okay, so probably not the way to go. Seems like it's actually with the other device that I have, you can pick the buttons and start the learning process, but looks like with this one you can't. So we'll delete this one. Okay, and let's try again. Let's see if there's other device. Do it yourself. Let's try this one. Okay, light, other. Press long press the button to study. Okay, so we'll push on. Point at the center of the device and press. Okay, so on. So we go on, safe. Now let's do off. Okay, off, safe. Okay, so in theory, in the basic setup, we'll go done. That should be done, and we should be able to control our candle now by pressing on and off. So let's try on. Yep, and as you can see, the candle came on, and if we go off, off, yep, and it's off. Let's try it again. So on, off, off. Perfect. So working, relatively easy to set up, as you can see, and also you can power it through the power block. So if you have a remote location somewhere where you don't have the power, I think that this is quite a cool option where you can just, you know, put a power block, plug it in, and have it charged once in a while and continue running the device. So overall, what I think, easy to set up, It's a nice looking little device. We still have to do some distance testing and see the range and sort of the coverage area, but as a first impression, for for a $15 device, it is quite good. I think it's well worthwhile the $15. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. As usual, I will put the link to our forum where we have all the details of the device. And if you liked the video, you found it useful, please subscribe and see you again soon. Thank you.